guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. You guys, I have another banger from Donmily hair. And this is a 13 by 4 24-inch body wave highlight wig. Now I reviewed, I think, the straight version of this wig, and today we are reviewing the body wave. This wig is 150% density. It is in the body wave texture. It looks similar to the straight wig that I reviewed. Now the body wave texture seems to me a bit more coarse than the straight texture. So it holds the curl beautifully. So that is something that I noticed right off the bat that, you know, I could mention to you guys between the straight and the body wave texture. But again, they're both beautiful, really full. It's not stretch length. It's a 24-inch. When you do stretch it, I would say it goes to about a 26-inch. So that is a fantastic. For me, when I look at wigs and I see 24-inch, I'm like, it might be a bit short. So I want it to be not stretch length because I'm tall already. So for me, this is perfect. I love this length. It's quite long. As you guys can see, it's going pretty low on me, and that's with it being curled. The lace is a really nice natural blend for me. It is a natural brown color, so for me, it matches my skin tone perfectly. As you guys can see, that's the lace on my skin tone. So really doesn't need a lot of work. If you are my complexion, that's going to be the perfect shade. When I have an HD lace or transparent lace, I have to put foundation on it all over. I did put just minimal powder on this wig, but it really didn't need it. I was just doing that so nobody can clock me in the future on this video, so that's why I did that. But in real life, I wouldn't have put anything on it if I was just going out, because I did feel like it looked good the way that it was. And the lace on their wigs always match my skin tone perfectly. I know you can tell that it looks good I love their hair, so when it comes to colored wigs, they are so awesome with that because they do such a good job. Like, look at these highlights. They look so pretty. The last one that I tried was great, and this one is too. So definitely recommend you guys check them out. So this wig is really nice and really soft. When you put oil in it and you condition it, it definitely needs some love because it has been highlighted. So I would recommend lots of oil and conditioner. The more the merrier. It's not going to be mad at you. And if you're going to wear it curled, it doesn't really matter because you're still going to get that bounce. It still has a lot of bounce, and it does have a really nice luster. I did put some shine spray in there, so it definitely pumped it up just a little bit. If you have any questions for me, you guys, leave it in the comment section. If you want to simply say hi, definitely do so. It does go a really long way. I want to get to know who I'm talking to because I'm talking literally to a camera, and I want to get to know you guys, and I want you guys to get to know me, but everything in due time. So like, the giveaways are a great way to see who's interacting with me, to put a face to a lot of the subscribers that I have, because it's literally a mystery most of the time. And I do appreciate all of you guys who've been consistent and always, you know, showing me love in my videos. And again, I'm gonna be doing more giveaways. I have so many wigs, you guys, that I literally cannot keep them all for myself. So say hi, say what up, let's start a conversation, something in the comment section, and you know, get to know me a little bit better. You can also follow me on my social media. I'll leave my Instagram and all that below for you guys in the description box, as well as all the information about this wig will be in the description box as well. I gotta run, guys. I've been talking for way too long. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.